Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the table summarizes annual spending in thousands of dollars for 6 categories of spending in one U.S. state from 2010 to 2014. And we're asked, which of the following is the best approximation of the average rate of change in spending on public assistance, which is going to be this column, from 2010 to 2014. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, this is over a 2-year period. So we're going to look at the total change in spending, and we're going to divide it by the time. So the time we just said, 2012 to 2014 is 2 years, right? I think we don't have to specify that 2014 minus 2012 is 2, but you can write it in if you want. And then the total change in spending, well, in 2012, we had $55,645 times 1,000. This is measured in thousands of dollars, so we have to multiply this by 1,000. Luckily, multiplying by 1,000 is just multiplying by 10 3 times, right? 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. So you're basically just adding 3 zeros at the end. Minus, in 2014, we had 29,450. You have to multiply that also by 1,000. And this is a subtraction we can do if we do 55,645,000 minus 29,450,000. Doing this out, we get 26,195,000 over 2, which is equal to 13,197,500 is the average rate of change per year, and this answer is by far closest to C, 13 million, so C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.